In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reference another database in a formula without rollups in Notion. Open Notion in your browser and go to your workspace. I'm starting from a setup where the workspace is already open and logged in. In the left sidebar, open the database called Projects. Once it loads, you should see a table with 3 rows for 3 projects. Also make sure you already have another database ready called Tasks, because that's the database we're going to reference. Now go back to the projects database, and let's create the connection between the two databases. Move to the far right side of the table header and click the plus button to add a new property. In the list of property types, scroll down and choose Relation. A search box will appear. Type tasks slowly into the search field, then select the tasks database when it shows up in the results. Leave the default settings as they are, so this stays a one-way relation. Then click Add Relation. You'll now see a new column in the projects table called Tasks. Next, we need to link tasks to each project so the formulas have something to work with. In the row for website redesign, click the empty cell under the Tasks column. A pop-up will open with the available task items. Click Design Homepage Mockup. Then click Build Navigation Component. Then click Write Landing Page Copy. After those 3 are selected, click anywhere outside the pop-up to close it. Now go to the Mobile App Launch row and click its Tasks cell. In that pop-up, click Create App Wireframes. Then click Develop Login Screen. Once both tasks are linked, click outside the pop-up again to close it. For the last project, go to Q2 Marketing Campaign and click the empty Tasks cell. In the list, click Draft Social Media Posts. Next, click Review Ad, Creatives. Then click Set up Analytics Tracking. Click outside the pop-up to close it. At this point, each project row should now display its related tasks in the Relation column. Now, let's use a formula property to pull task names directly from that related database, without using a rollup. Click the plus button at the end of the column header row one more time. When the property setup opens, type task names as the property name. Give yourself a moment to type that clearly, then choose Formula from the property type list. Once the new column appears, click the Task Names column header. Hover over Edit Property, then click Edit Formula. In the Formula Editor, type the formula exactly as shown on screen. Prop, Tasks, Map, Current, Name, Join. This formula takes the related items in the tasks relation, maps over each one, pulls the name of each related page, and joins them together into one comma-separated line. After you finish typing it, click Done. Or just click outside the editor to save. The Task Names column should now show the names of the related tasks for each project all pulled through a formula and not through a rollup. Now let's make this even more useful by filtering those related tasks by status. We're going to create another formula that returns only the tasks marked Done. Click the plus button at the end of the header row again. In the Name field, type Done Tasks. After that, choose Formula. When the new column is added, click the Done Tasks header. Hover over Edit Property and select Edit Formula. In the editor, type this formula exactly. Prop, Tasks, Filter, Current, Prop, Status, Talked with, Map, Current, Name, Join. Here's what it does. It looks through all related tasks, keeps only the ones whose status property is done, then pulls just their names and joins them into a clean readable list. Once that formula is in place, click outside the editor to save it. For website redesign, you should now see Design Homepage Mockup, Write Landing Page Copy, because those are the completed tasks linked to that project. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, let's count how many related tasks are completed. Click the plus button again to add another property. In the Name field, type Completed Count, then select Formula from the list. Click the Completed Count header, go to Edit Property, then Edit Formula. In the Formula Editor, type Prop, Tasks, Filter, Current, Prop, Status, Talks, Length. This one uses the same filter, but instead of returning names, it counts how many related tasks match the condition. Click outside the editor to save it. Now the column shows a number. For website redesign, you should see 2, because 2 of its 3 related tasks are done. To compare that against the total number of related tasks, add one more formula property. Click the plus button at the far right again. In the Name field, type Total Tasks, then choose Formula. Open the formula editor for that new property and type prop tasks length. This formula simply counts every related task connected to each project. Save it by clicking outside the editor. Now you can see completed tasks and total tasks side by side. For website redesign, that gives you 2 completed out of 3 total, all coming from the related tasks database and still without using any rollup property. Finally, let's sum number values from the related database. This is where formulas become especially powerful. Add another property with the plus button. Name it total hours, then select formula. Open edit formula for total hours and type prop tasks map current prop hours sum. This formula goes through each related task, pulls the value from its hours property, and sums the numbers together. After you finish typing, save by clicking outside the editor. The total hours column should now show the combined hours for all related tasks. For website redesign, that would be 13 based on 4 plus 6 plus 3. And that's the full workflow. You linked one database to another with a relation, then used formulas to pull names, filter by status, count completed items, count total items, and sum number fields from related records, all without adding a single rollup. Once you get comfortable with this pattern, you can adapt it for owners, dates, priorities, costs, and all kinds of connected database logic inside Notion.